Hey everyone, Rudy here with Siser. Today we are taking it back to the basics. We're going to talk about our most popular and you could say famous product that we offer, the PS Film, or better known as Easyweed. Stay tuned, we're going to talk a little bit more about the product and how to apply it. So as we mentioned, PS Film, better known as Easyweed, is one of our top products. It is very easy to work with. It is easy to weed, easy to cut, has an amazing adhesive backing, so it allows you to cut some really nice detailed designs or more complex designs, and it also allows us to layer it. Okay, so today we're going to show you how to create a two-color design with the PS Film and show you some tricks along the way. So let's go over here to our cutter, cut our design out, and get ready for this application. Alright, so very nice cut there. So as you guys can see, we had to mirror the image because we were cutting the material from the back side. Okay, so as you guys can see there, we can see those cut lines. Looks like we made a nice cut. So now let's go ahead and weed the material. So quick little trick here, because of that adhesive carrier that the material comes with, that allows us to use this trick on the heat press to make the weeding process much easier. Weeding is the process of removing the excess material from the carrier, leaving only the design or the transfer behind. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our TS1 press here. We're going to go ahead and just drop it for 2-3 seconds, just heating the bottom platen just a little bit, not too much though, be careful. But what this is going to allow me to do now is just quickly grab the corner here and check how quick and easy we can now weed this design. Look at that. So this is going to save you guys a lot of time when doing this process. How nice was that? So now I have to just go in here, remove the little cavities, and voila, perfect. So now let's go ahead and grab the second color. Now the nice thing about the PS Film line, we have a huge selection of colors available. Right around 60 colors we're at now that you can choose from, different tones, different shades, to create all sorts of designs that you would like to create. Okay, so again, we're going to use the same trick here. You can see how nice and easy that comes off. So see how quick with that trick we can remove the excess material or weed this design. Alright, so now that we're almost ready here, let's go ahead and show you guys how we're going to apply these two different colors, okay? Alright guys, so now that we have our transfers weeded, now you'll notice what I've done is I've actually used the black in the outline for the top text, and then I've actually reversed it and used the red as the outline for the bottom text. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go ahead and cut just the made part here, and we're going to go ahead and apply this reversed. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove that one and this one here. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and apply this part of our design first on our t-shirt. Oops, sorry. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and apply the red on top of the outline here, and then the black on top of this outline here. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you how this is going to work. Alright, so we have our cotton garment that we're going to be working with. So first thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and pre-press the garment. Just a couple seconds, 2 to 3 will be fine. This is going to remove any wrinkles or moisture that the garment might carry. And we're going to go ahead and first apply the first part of our design here. And again, we're going to go ahead and apply the black and the red since this is the background. And then we'll apply the top layer next. Okay? Now, another huge advantage of the PS Film or Easyweed product is the application. Okay, so because we're working with different colors and different layers, what I want to do is something very quick and easy. Okay, we're just going to apply this for 1 second. Okay, this is what we refer to as the 1 second tack rule. The reason for that is going to avoid the shrinkage of the material, which then allows me to put the second layer perfectly on top without ruining or messing our registration. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and again, just 1 quick second. There we go. And now this is a hot peel, so we do not have to let it cool. All right, now that we have this part complete, let's go ahead and add our second layer. As you can see, because we only did that 1 second tack rule, look how nice that fits on top. And we're gonna go ahead and layer our second color. So how beautiful does this look, guys? And again, that's using two different colors there, just kind of reversed the positioning of the black and the red, okay? So now let's go ahead now, because this is the last layer, we will apply it for the full amount. So we're applying at 150 degrees for the 15 seconds that is recommended. Again, this is a hot peel, so let's go ahead and remove that carrier sheet and check this out, guys. How nice does that look? So what do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? Now the nice thing is, even though we layered it, the touch is really soft still, okay? The product is only 90 microns, so it feels really light on the garment. So with the large gamma of colors, the easy usability of the product, and the application tricks we just showed, all the possibilities are endless with this material. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. If you guys have any questions at all, visit our website, Siser.com, or also join us on social media on our Facebook page and YouTube channels. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you.